Alright, so usually when you hover over a column, it will appear two tips. So we can see that this is for departments, R&D, and the hackers 13, right? But if I hover over here, it show a very different things, right? Why is that so? Well, this is what Microsoft says that it's called a tooltips based on report page. So you can create a visually rich report tooltips that appear when you hover over visual. So you can do it in Power BI desktop, and Power BI is when you hover base. Yeah. So I'll just delete this. Um, so you can actually include a visual image as well. So what does it mean, right? Let's look at here. Now, what if I just say, oops, straight here. Okay, maybe somewhere here, and I want to include an image. So that is quite possible. So although it don't make a lot of sense, right? Yeah. Ooh, okay, here. So you see that I actually add an image here. Now come back to the full and look at this here, and you can see that there's here and there's an image. So that image can be your product. You can link it to your product or your employee their photo. Yeah, well, any other that is meaningful, right? So now you can see that, oh, this is the one, right? So this is the company and so on. Yeah. So how do we create this? So first of all, we create a new page. Okay, so let's click on it to create a new page. And after that, go to here, choose the page information, set it as a use as a tool page, right? And then no tool tips, and then and go over to the view, choose page view, choose fit to page. Oh, sorry, page to exercise. So this is how it looks like the two tips, right? So you can see that it's somewhere here. So now the next thing is that I want to just like creating a normal report. So we will select a cluster column chart, and I'll look at the departments and the total salary for the month. So it's a further breakdown of whatever that is selected, right? So right here, I'll just select this, and you can see here. So there is a further breakdown for this month and so on. Yeah. So okay. So okay, I got this here. Um, I can also use. I think I can use a donut chart. And then I can just go back here, choose legend, can choose the bottom center. There's a lot of yeah. So how's it like overall? So uh, now when I come back here, it is still when I hold over here, it's still using these two tips. So how can I do a different setting, right? Just select this here, choose the maybe under general. Oh yes, under general two tips and look for here choose. Well, I don't have that page. Ooh, cool. Okay, report page correct. So go to page one. I mean it will based on the page one. So let's take a look here. So you can see that here it's different already. See? Okay. So there is a lot of differences, yeah. So it's not like double click go to somewhere. No, that one is due true, right? So we're not using due true yet. Okay, so that is called tooltips. So you can study this to understand even more. There's a step by step. I basically go through all the steps in this description. So to recap, how do you create a customized tooltips? Right, you create a new slide, a new page, and go to here, choose the page layout, and then choose use as a tooltips. Go to view, choose, make sure that it's the actual size, yes, which is correct, and then now we go ahead and creating a column chart. Go to department, and then total salary. Okay, and well, once you're done, you're happy with this, then go to home, full page. Right, this is your full page, and then select the chart you want, or maybe I just select this chart, and I go to here, maybe here. Nope. Let's see, where can I find maybe it's here. Oh yeah, no. So it seems like here don't have tooltips. There is. Oh yeah, under general tooltips. Okay, so right here. So select this item, choose general, and over here choose page 3, and that's all. So I select this item, and you can see that it will tells you why is it so, and I can also create this is a trend. So if I hold over here in the month of November, I can see that this is the sales like so R&D, and let's just look at this here. So maybe that is very strange, right? It seems like there's only two department working. So really, okay, how is that so? So by looking at this, you can see that there are some problem with the data, and nevertheless, that you just learn how to create a customized tooltips. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Aisha. One day at a time, you can become master in anything.